Welcome to Blizzard World.
Sorry, Fisher, if you set that up. I
Prepare your
assumed you didn't.
defenses. Select your hero.
'Cause
Yes,
you
he
can't-
set
you
it
can't-
up and
you
then
can't
locked
fix it.
himself out.
Yeah, exactly.
Genius.
Ugh.
Calculated.
This is what happens when other people fucking set up roles.
Hadari set up roles in his own server. You know what? Kick him
What?
out, I reckon.
Yeah, vote to kick.
Full immunity.
We all know that I'm the one that actually does things around here.
Kelly does a bit. He yells at the kids for being hooligans.
Jesus.
He
Ironically,
yells.
Curly does the actual moderation and I do the actual administration.
Interesting.
But he's kinda...
No one else think it's really stupid
No,
that
it's
Wrecking Ball's tether joins itself by itself.
What?
I have
It
no
does
idea
what?
what it means, and Fisher also complete what you were saying before you were interrupted. I don't even remember.
I was messaging with Carly, so there we go. He
I can't
has...
freeze these
Our names
bubbles.
are
This game. I
fixed,
can't freeze
yeah.
them
There
up
it's
bubbles
Well,
that
he didn't
bleeds.
fix them, but he moved the category down so that I could fix them at least.
Hooray!
I have no time.
Who else? Is it just you three?
We're the rowdy children.
Yeah, we were the rowdy one.
Yeah.
What did I even prompted it? What did I say that time?
When you copy and paste the 6-9.
It was when you were copying and pasting.
69.
Yeah,
It is 16 nice.
Muted everyone. Then pasted it.
Freedom of speech.
Okay.
Freedom of speech is
Let
not
me
freedom
69 without repercussion.
Repercussions.
There's always
If you're speaking during that, I think you're doing it wrong.
Peak. Never mind.
Foolish.
Oh shit, fuck. God.
I've seen worse. You're going to live.
Oh, hi, Sombra.
Hello.
Oh, they're all the point. Interesting.
Groundbreaking. I can't take on Widow and Tracer at the same time.
Objective lost. Stop the payload.
Ice cold.
Res me.
That is cooler than being
I can't get to you.
Not with that attitude.
Not with any attitude, in fact. Because I'm getting spawn camped.
Really?
I do believe she's got you there, son.
Got him.
Where's this Ajudo?
Critter.
Ajudo.
Crude.
Good.
Whose chop was that? Because I found a Sombra in it.
I cannot be still.
Also, Ajudo
Get
is dead
stuck on
again.
that fucking tree. Pick me. Never mind. Where'd he go? Come back. Come back.
Yeah, can I get solo ult this Widow? Not if it's blocked off. Where'd the Widow go? No, I missed
Stop fucking dodging me.
I have your back.
Huge brain.
3, 2. Never mind.
Oh, I almost got the messy. Oh, she's behind us. Oh, no, she's not.
I'm gonna go have a shower. Later, kids.
Sleep tight, reap tight.
Hey?
Huh.
I have your back.
动作不许走。
I just blew the right hook.
Like shot with Tracer after she blinked and like killed her. From where she was.
Yes.
Watch this.
Please heal me. Give me the Heelys. Protect my
favorite
Heelys.
form of mobility. Achilles.
Exactly. Oh, I got one of those anti-boys.
The anti-heroes.
Healed up.
Oh my god.
Heroes never die. Still need you.
They used so many ults for me, that was nutty.
My ultimate is almost ready.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Thank you, Raya. Raya Jack.
Sighted the enemy.
Reasonable.
Oh, is that what's happening? Sneaky keeps like joining group and then leaving and then requesting to join group again and then leaving and then requesting.
Just trolling.
Oh. You're out of my range. I'm sorry.
That's so sad. Alexa played Despacito.
Much better.
Healing up coming at you.
Thank you.
No problem. They're all really low. Sombra behind. She's gone.
Move your trap more into the doorway, Mikkel, so I can get people with it.
Never. I'd never be practical.
Oh.
After the widow.
Hi. This will stop them. Sorry. Sorry. I'm trying. Need help.
Okay. What?
Enemy in my sight.
What?
I sustained damage.
Come get me.
Are you kidding me? At least he never
What?
falls.
That was a Hanzo.
Everyone is counting on me.
Burger? What the fuck does that mean?
He ate a burger.
Hog right?
He's fat. He's developed chronic obesity. Fucking skirt, please. Everyone commit skirt, please. He's gone through too much.
Fucking F. Hope you no scope soon, bro.
Surrender to my will.
Come back to peak main. I'm wasting a whole coalescence. No.
60 seconds remaining.
I got bullied.
起来吧。
Someone behind?
Trying to back up.
How weird.
Just gone.
就过来。
6962 healing, someone like 7 damage. And then I'm leaving game. Never mind.
Okay.
Oh boy. Why then?
Mystic wank.
I may have ordered and cookie, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. I've been slept. No, I'm back.
你好。
He's won.
He's Genji.
洗澡。
Yeah, stay over there, Sombra. You jerk.
Huh?
Yeet. Yeet.
Yurt.
I got yeeted. Wait, wasn't that the guy from Star Wars? Yoda?
I hate you.
Play the game.
That was like such a calm play of the game. Just so serene. Oh. That one's gonna be my last one, guys. Fun games and something, something, something. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Enjoy your video game.
Be right back.